So we are in Dubrovnik. Say hi for the cameras. And this is where they shoot Game of Thrones. That's pretty much what they're known for. It's also beautiful and lovely. This is easily the most beautiful view that I have ever seen in my whole life. I cannot believe this. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's breathtaking. So we are here in King's Landing. They shoot the show in a place called Dubrovnik in Croatia. So we are taking a tour of all the different places where they shot different scenes from the show. It is really, really cool to see how much is already here versus how much they've added in with CGI.
Yeah, go down there. This one.
Are those balls like just from the castle, or is that set stuff?
No, this is a medieval balls.
Those are like real, legit
They
balls?
used to throw it on people.
That's perfect.
Hard life, you know. Protecting Sansa and having a crazy brother and shit.
This is just the beginning of
Yes,
CGI. Yeah,
okay.
you're shocked in some parts.
Yes. Okay.
You know which scene that was? They are
Is that when
Cersei
the-
saying goodbye to her daughter.
I was
gonna
She's
say,
going
is that
to
when she
go.
came back? Yeah. You know, just chilling on the top of King's Landing as you do. This is mostly about the photo shoot, y'all. Let's be real. We're all just gathering content. Look at that view. That is insane. Okay, y'all, so if you watch Game of Thrones, you know there's that amazing scene where Littlefinger's like to Cersei, knowledge is power, and it's her, and she's surrounded by the 4 guards, and then she's like, cut his throat, and he's like, oh crap, and she's like, wait, no, change my mind, and then it's like, step back 3 paces, and then she turns to me, she's like, power is power. This is where they shot that scene, y'all, it's here. I do, but I want to keep taking video.